This is our power amplifier. Shinewave Technology Co., Ltd., Nanjing is a company specializing in the research and development, production and sales of RF microwave passive components and subsystems. For more details and for information, see the product details page. Please see the specific operation demonstration below. Power amplifier unit index test. Preparation of test stand. First of all, the instrument required for the test is ready to ensure that the instrument is in the specified measurement date. The indicator measurement equipment of the power amplifier unit mainly includes signal source, power meter, spectrometer, etc. Then prepare the power supply and related test cables. Construction of the test environment. First, set the power supply at the specified voltage value. And connect the tested equipment with the test instrument and meter, according to the method of the test outline. Link attenuation calibration. Output power index measurement needs to calibrate the link attenuation above all. First, the signal source is directly connected to the spectrum meter to test the output power of the signal source. And then the output cable and attenuator of the power amplifier unit are connected to the signal source and spectrum analyzer to read the difference, test and record the amount of link attenuation. Output power index test. Set the output power of the signal source at the specified frequency point and power value. Open the device switch. Enable the transmission of the power amplifier unit. Output the signal source. Read the power meter value and record. Adjust the frequency, respectively record the power value of each frequency point.